Holy, all this from one night. Oh, man. Holy fuck it. It's almost above my rubber boots. Holy crap. That's gonna suck. I'm totally gonna get snow in the boot. And I am not wearing socks. Oh Lord. Oh, the water boiler, you gotta bring them coals up front. Lots of coals in there though, it's not necessary. That's more of a when you're low thing. Jesus Christ. Okay. Oh, that couldn't have went in worse. But you're perfectly good coals. You stay there. One piece of wood down. Woo! You don't gotta open it.
What's that?
I don't gotta work or nothing. It's just brutal out. I figured I was awake, I'd throw wood in the furnace. Weather like this, why fuck around?
I put some in at like 2 in the morning.
Did you? Oh, it's burning quick then, because I topped...
When it's bad like this, it burns quick.
I was gonna say, because I topped it up before I went to bed too. Pardon?
Remember that wind gun funnel straight into the
Yeah. Oh, man. This is pretty fucking wild. How long is this supposed to go on for, according to your... Another full day?
It's supposed to slow down this afternoon, but then turn into snowfall in this area, so...
So plenty yet.
No point blowing the snow till we...
Have it all down.
Yeah, we're not going anywhere, so...
No. Christmas Eve. I don't know if you'll get that in there. I get enough room for a small one. Yeah, you might be able to get another one in there. And it's like this is all where the snow blows too, so it's not like it's setting down. We got a lot more snow than it looks like.
Well, that big drift in there.
Well, that drift's fucking huge. I mean, look at along the house. I mean, the barn there. Crazy. Well, no point hanging out here.
I just heard one out.
Yeah, I kind of figured that you were assuming I was going to work.
I didn't sleep at all last night.
You and I fucking both.